This is question number 7 on the November 2013 higher non-calculator paper. Let's read the question. There's quite a lot of writing in this. However, don't be fazed by that. Sometimes some of the easiest questions have a fair bit of writing in it. Just take your time, read what they're saying, understand it, read it a couple of times, and then attempt your answer. Rita is going to make some cheeseburgers for a party. She buys some packets of cheese slices and some boxes of burgers. There are 20 cheese slices in each packet, 12 burgers in each box. Rita buys exactly the same number of cheese slices and burgers. How many packets of cheese slices and how many boxes of burgers does she buy? Okay, so there is a fair bit there. Now, I've read this question a couple of times and I have a good idea of what I need to do. What I need to look at is how many cheese slices do you get for a certain number of packets, and a similar thing for the burgers. So if I bought one box or one packet of cheese slices, I'd have 20. If I bought 2, I'd have 40. 3, I'd have 60. 4, I'd have 80. 5, I'd have 100. So it's almost like the 20 times table. If I do this for the boxes of burgers, so this is cheese slices for burgers. If I bought one box of burgers, I'd get 12. 2 would be 24. 3, 36. 4 is 48. 5 is 60. And at this point, I can actually stop, because at that stage, I could have the same number of cheese slices and burgers. So if I bought 1, 2, 3 packets of cheese slices, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes of burgers, I would actually have the same number of cheese slices and burgers. So that's what you need to look at. And this here, pretty straightforward question. This style of question is quite common as well. If we look at part B in this, or part 2, it says Rita wants to put one slice of cheese and one burger into each roll. She wants to use all the cheese slices and all the burgers. How many bread rolls does Rita need? I think this is pretty straightforward, right? Because based on our answer to part 1, she would be buying 60 burgers. And if she puts 60 burgers and 60 cheese slices, and if she puts one of each into each bread roll, she actually needs 60 bread rolls. So that's my answer to part 2, 60. This is actually quite an easy question to pick up full marks on, as long as you work through it in a systematic and sensible way. So looking at the answer, right, go through this a couple of times, make sure you're familiar with it, and if you get something of this style, you are able to do it, and you are able to get full marks in it.